Welcome guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a nice banana oatmeal cake. So here I have already 3 large banana crushed already. You can use a spoon to mash it out, and I have also 3 eggs and a teaspoon of lemon. Why I use it is to take away the rawness of the egg. So I'm going to mix this in now. So I'm going to add a cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of oil. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of brown sugar, I'm going to mix this through. To add to my banana mixture, here I have 2 cups of oatmeal, 1 cup of chickpeas flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of baking powder. So I'm going to transfer my mixture to my baking pan. And my oven is on 200 degrees. Guys, I'm so excited to report back to you about my oatmeal banana cake with chickpeas flour. The flavor is amazing. There is no taste of chickpeas. All you are tasting is like you are eating banana cake, and the texture is so nice. You know that banana is healthy, oatmeal is healthy, chickpeas is healthy. Chickpeas is high in protein and fiber. You know you are eating a healthy banana cake. Wow. Guys, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Comment below. Let me know how did yours came out. Thanks for watching. Bye.